Good morning, goodie. Welcome back to another vlog. That's how we cope. But good morning, good sunshine morning rather. It's probably about 8 o'clock maybe. I don't know. But honey, I got some good rest. I never fall asleep until like 2 o'clock in the morning, as usual. I did get some sleep though. Ah, man. But anyway, I'm about to get up now and drink some tea. Have some tea and store it on my dad. Start my day doing what I don't know what. Yeah, I'm feeling like I might want to go to the beach today. I'll probably do that. But since we didn't have one really bad belly yesterday morning, today I'm just gonna go ahead and do it really light and start off my day with a cup of tea and take it from the sun. I can brush teeth now and take a quick shower, put some clothes on, and head to the kitchen. So, alright, good. So your girl is up with the vlogs. I'm ready for the day. I just had some breakfast. Let's just say I had a pretty heavy breakfast. Make some cabbage. Didn't video that though, but make some cabbage though. And I did have some food left over from yesterday when I cooked for uncle. Because yesterday me did have some veggie chunks with my dumpling and yam and them something there. So today I just steamed some cabbage this morning just for me. And everybody go eat the food from yesterday. So that's what everybody else had. And me just enjoy one little bit. I never cook a whole lot, just a little bit of steamed cabbage I'm gonna make for myself. But that was pretty much that. And plate empty, right? So I'm just go ahead and wash up everything and then get ready for go out the road. The people them drive crazy too. But when I get ready for go out the road, of course I'm gonna try to have some ginger ale because that's all my stomach can tolerate. It's ginger ale. So I'm gonna have one here. I don't like it too cold neither, so I'll go ahead and have that. Food still left over in the pot same way. Still have some food left over. Same way there, so just a little bit, not a lot, because trust me, everybody did eat, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, drink my ginger ale. I don't even know if I'm gonna take a shower because I go to the beach. I'll probably just wait until I go at the beach and come back. Let's see where I go on. And then take it from there, but I'll see you later, alright? Alright, goodie. So now it's time for me to go to the beach. I got the beach now. Get dipping in the water for sure. Just have my little pants, so I'm not put on my swimsuit yet. But I have my little something. My belly kind of get big because I eat more than normal. But this is what I got on. Little leggings, jeggings, slippers. Right, so yeah, so I'm gonna go to the beach, get my swimsuit. So I'm going with my girlfriend, my daughter. Beach time, beach aware. I need to take off my lashes and redo them over, so I'll probably do that later on. But anyway, my darlings, I'm on the balcony here. That is the view, and I can't see because sun. Look at the sun. I don't know if I can see that one. View is right there. I'll come out and I can probably see better. But yeah, time now is probably about midday, something like that. So, and I am going to just grab some water. My belly full already because I already eat something. And so hoping I'm not get the copyright strike because then people are playing music over this song. Religious music. It's music up there. So I hope I'm not get the copyright strike. I'm gonna play music over this. You alright, mommy? So That's my bestie right there, so. Sarah sneaker come there. When I talk about good friend, I did this right here, so. Right here, so. Years, even when we not see each other, we're friendship forever. Remember me tell
True
her,
friends.
I can't chat people with her. I can't tell her my secrets and all of them something there. Right there, so. I can't even tell how much years I know that girl there. The girl there know me through thick and thin and everything else. Yes, I'm a lover her. Big time. Lana. So, we'll go beach, like I told you before. But I have my swimsuit somewhere else. So I'm going to leave it, so get my swimsuit and come back, do some picking. We'll pick water coconut, pick some plum, and some other things I need to make tea, because I need some banana leaf tea, I need breadfruit leaf tea, and I need some sweet sap leaf tea. Right, so them 3 tea them I go get today. Yeah, I'm gonna pick them get today. So we're gonna pick coconut and plum, June plum today. Alright, good, so that is it for now. So I'm gonna catch you back later. When my probably at the beach. I'm on the road now, go to some road view. Go to some road view, right? So we're soon up back. Lock up everything in our car, guess what? In Jamaica, everybody lock up. You have to lock up the see that? You have to lock up everything. So now lock up the burglar bar them and the grill them before we leave. So my uncle have to walk behind me and them something there. So that is it for now, y'all. Make sure you say everything straighten up nice, bed straighten up nice, fix up the sheets and everything. I say, can't let the place untidy. Yeah. And then I'll soon later. Alright, everything look like it in a place. Nice. Right. Simon.
Church.
Oh, that's nice. I tell you, so you have to be professional to drive a Jamaica. You know, if you're young, they better go in a ditch. You have to drive real good. Yes, honey. Look at full business can go on there, so. I'll be with my old man driving, that not gonna work.
Yeah, they know that.
Me something, I know my limits to that, I know I can't angle it. I mean, I tell us I can't angle this. Wait, look how the dog I walk on the street. I them something I can't manage. At first I think it was a boat, but it's a dog. Then me do have to get used to the turn them to go.
You see church, let's say the pastor man glad me even.
Yeah.
See right over so.
Which one?
See right so.
Oh, I'm right to suggest you this shoe right now, right there, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, right there, so. Right in there, so. So you mean that kill people on the premises, though?
Church that. I mean, cult. It's a cult. That's a cult.
The cult, yeah.
They never said nothing. Not sacrifice. Oh, devil's word right there.
Straight.
Normal. Mortal. Lick down the pool at one time.
You know, say na lick it down one time.
Exactly.
One time, you lick it down. Nah, lick it down a second time.
All my people that mash up at going to them hole there. That get shots. So, and them blind spotting are normal.
This is absolutely nothing. This is absolutely nothing. Nothing at all.
Jeez! Paula, get out there!
This is Jamaica. If the road small, the country small, the road small, the big old highway drive by. Let's drive by. The reach you have here now.